Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be decorating the spread in my mini dashboard layout. I'm going to use the Princess Magic sticker book with some stickers from the Princess Colorful boxes and of course some florals. These will be from the Spring Floral sticker book by Live Love Posh. Alright, so these are the florals that I'm going to be using, and they are kind of big for a mini spread, so we'll see how this works out. And I'll show you, today is the 11th, and I have not used my mini spread at all this week. It's been a busy week, but I haven't felt very well, so it is what it is. And then this is the next week, so you guys will actually be watching this video tomorrow. I'm filming on Sunday. This video will come out on Monday. And so right now we're going to be decorating our spread for the 19th through the 25th of April. We will be on vacation this week, and then so I'm also after this going to try to film the 26th through the 2nd. So I'm going to be pre-filming quite a few videos today, today and tomorrow. So just trying to get ahead of the game so that I have content for you guys while I'm away. And so, of course, that means that the week that I'm away, I have to film those videos ahead of time too. So I'm going to start, I think this is Rapunzel. Told you guys before, I'm not like a massive Disney princess person. I am a boy mom, so we just didn't do a whole lot of, we didn't do any princess stuff with my boys. Just not something they were interested in. So I think that this is Rapunzel. I think that her colors will pair well with the florals that I've chosen. So we're just going to kind of wing it, like I said in my last video, and see how this goes. So I've got this big corner floral. That was a mouthful. And I'm going to try to just kind of lay it here, and then I'm going to come in beside it with a vertical box. And I think I'm going to try to save some of this sticker. I don't know that it'll be usable, but we'll see. I hate wasting flower stickers, but sometimes it happens. And thankfully, Jessica does give 2 pages of her florals in her sticker books. So I've always got a second page. Okay, so that is pretty there. And then I think I'm just going to layer this yellow box with these flowers and see how this looks. See if I can get it straight on the first time. Maybe that's straight. We'll see. And then I've got a purple box. Now this purple box has a sun on it, and I don't think I want to use the sun. So I think I may try to put it actually underneath this box. And the reason I don't want to use the sun is because I'm going to use almost an identical sticker on the other side. So I don't want to have 2 identical stickers. Now I'm going to try to stagger these 2 stickers so that they're not like lined up. I don't want them offset. I didn't go quite far enough up there because the sun is far up on this box. So let's try that again. Okay, great. Alright, so now I have 2 boxes that I can use. I think this is crooked, and like I said, this will be our vacation week, so I will be using my mini, although I am, of course, if you're a planner, you know, you take your planners wherever you go, right? So I will be taking my journal and my wellness planner. Oh my gosh, I just made that horrible. So I'll be taking those with us to use as well, but I do plan on using my mini a little bit more than normal for this current week here. I hope that's straight because I'm really tired of working on it. Okay, I think I kind of want to put a flower somewhere in here. So let's see, which one do I want to use? I kind of like this. I'm wondering if I can put this underneath these two boxes. See how that's going to look. These poor boxes. Peeling them up and putting them down. Peeling them up, putting them down. Let's see if I can do this without covering up all of my greenery. Okay, so that's cute. This is just going to be a different type spread, like out of my norm, but that's okay. I'm good with that. Now I'm going to put a little quote down here, cover up this focus box. And so the quote that I found was in that princess sticker book. It says, "Make today an adventure." So I thought that was appropriate for a camping trip. So we'll put that there. And then I wonder if there is maybe some kind of smaller floral or something that I can pair with that. Most of these flowers are a lot bigger than I'd like for them to be, but I like having smaller florals to kind of line things like this, or to maybe frame them, I should say. Yeah, that's cute too. Okay, so that's probably going to be it for this side. I do need to trim this off, and then I'm going to have to repunch. I'll do that probably off camera here in just a minute. Actually, I may just go ahead and do that now. This is going to be tricky because this punch is made for the big. And so if I try to go like in the center, let me tell you this because you may not know. Well, actually, no, it's okay for a mini. I was going to tell you that if you go in the center, this top punch may actually punch the top of your page, but that's not going to happen. So we're good. But I'm just going to try to line this up as best as possible, and I think I did it pretty good. Okay, so that page is done. I don't know, I may come in with a little bit of washi, I'm not sure. So let's just move to the other page now. So this is the side that I really don't have much planned at all. I did find these 3 boxes in the princess sticker book, and so I think what I'm going to do, see, this is the one that has the sun on it that I didn't want to, I didn't want to have two stickers with suns. Thinking I may put this over here and put a flower over top of that flower. We'll see. And then I think I may put this here and put a flower over top of the sun, actually. So, and then maybe let's put this one. I hate having 2 of the same kind of boxes. Let me just put some florals with these other 2 real quick and then decide what I want to do. I really like this flower. I think it's super cute. But I don't know if I like that. It's so big. I may have to get undo to get this up. We'll see. Nope. Alright, so I wonder if I should just leave that and maybe, I don't know what to do. Let me look over here on my second page of these stickers. These stickers are so big. I think I'm just going to put this down here in the corner. And maybe cut that off. And then let's pair the yellow sticker with that. And it's kind of offset, so I like that. Okay, and I don't know, I wonder how this would look behind this. Maybe cover this up. I don't know, maybe I should just leave it alone. I feel like there's so much over here, and not enough over here. Let's see what else is in the princess books. Let's see if I can find anything else. Oh, sorry. I know that was loud. So we have lots of gold stickers. I really don't want to do a whole lot of gold. Let's see. We can do Love Today here to cover up the little froggy. I don't know the froggy's name, so don't hate on me for that because I don't know it. We have Love This or Choose Kindness. I think I'm going to put the Love This up there. Sorry. And I'm wondering if maybe I should come in with some of this washi, or maybe some of my own washi. I don't know. I still feel like I need some more florals over here too. Just need something over here. Why don't we take this and come up, cover up 2021. I'll try to come a little bit further down with that. Without covering up Monday. I just felt like I needed some more florals over there. We'll trim this off and see if we can't use it somewhere else. And I do have all those other leftover pieces. I just cut my page really crooked. Oh well. Alright, so the leftover pieces, I feel like that might be too much. That's not enough. So do I have enough florals over there? It just may have to be enough. Okay, I guess that's going to be enough. Alright, so let me see if I can find some washi that'll kind of cover up some of those empty spaces. And then, let's see what we've got. I love black and white, you know that. Let's just see how this will look. Maybe some up here. And, I don't know, a little bit over here. I'm not promising that these will stay here. We'll see. I think that's kind of cute. Yeah, let's trim these up and see if we want to keep them. I think so. That one's kind of crooked, but I've only got one piece on this page because I'm not really sure where to put another piece. No. I think we'll just leave one piece over here. And I think we're going to be done. Let me take one more look at it. I don't think it's missing anything. I do have some crooked washi though. Try to straighten this one up a little bit, and then we'll just put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me over there. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.